All right, Groovy Gardeners, check this out. I'm going to show you a quick little hack that I figured out for my greenhouse. So a lot of these greenhouses, they don't have any windows in them, which is really tricky for ventilation if it gets too hot, or if you've got a problem with wind, because if you don't have any sort of way for the wind to flow through, your whole structure can blow over. So I came up with a groovy little hack and it totally worked. I'm so pleased with it. All right, so let's zoom in so you can take a look. So obviously, I cut a little square into the sheet of plastic. I reinforced it with clear packing tape. So I cut the square, I left the flap on the top, I went around the open edges with packing tape to make it stronger, and then to close the window, I used a really very simple method. Sorry for the noise. It is 2 Ziploc bags with a strip magnet. Oh yeah, 2 Ziploc bags with a strip magnet inside each one with clear packing tape. One's on the inside of the plastic, one is on the outside. When the strip magnets come together, they hold the bags and thus the window closed, so I don't lose heat at night. So yahoo, I have a way to get airflow when it's really windy so the whole thing doesn't blow away, get some airflow if it's too hot, and close it up to keep it cozy. So, and it was really cheap. The strip magnets were $1.50 at the dollar store, and obviously Ziploc bags at the dollar store are very cheap. So I did this with the big greenhouse as well, and it works really well. I put a bunch of them in, and it made it much easier for me to manage the overall temperature. So, hope you folks find it helpful. Hope everybody's doing okay. Not sure if you can see in there, but I've got all my little fellas growing still in there. And, oh my gosh, the watermelons. Talk about fickle. It got to 6 degrees, and like half of them just went, okay, that's it, we die. So, they're hiding in there now. They don't get to come out until it's really warm. Other than that, everybody's all good. So, yeah, window flap works really well. Even keeps the kitty out. Everybody's happy. Take care, my groovy gardeners. I love you. Bye.